This is Paint Life TV. I'm Chrissy, Idaho Painter. In this video, I'm going to be talking about tape release times. What does that actually mean? When you look on a roll of tape or a package of tape and it says it has a 60-day release time, or this just says 60-day, that's referring to the release time of the tape. If you want to know what release times mean, stay tuned for this video. So before we get to the release times of tape, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I come out with a new video. It's free, simple, and easy to do. And it's a simple way to help support our channel. We won't ever try to market to you. We won't try to charge you anything. We never have and we never will. Just a simple click of two buttons, subscribe and notify. Because if you don't hit them both, it doesn't actually do anything. Kind of something weird with YouTube, but now it is all about the release. So let's get to release times of tape. All right, now I'm going to be talking about release times. I've got multiple products right here. I'm going to talk about what it actually means and how important the release time is. There's a different release time on every one of these tapes. I use all these tapes for different projects, for different purposes, and I'm going to talk about those release times. So I'll just take, for instance, Frog Tape production grade tape, and this is a professional grade production tape, and this is the least expensive of all the Frog tapes because it doesn't have the paint block technology on the outside edge of the tape. But this is a production grade tape, and it's got a different style paper on it than, for instance, the paper on the delicate surface tape. This, if you look on the packaging right here, it's going to tell you somewhere on the packaging, at least all the SureTape products or Frog Tape products, they do tell you the release time. Right here, it says a 3-day clean removal. Now, release times are referring to how well the tape is going to release, not leave adhesive behind, and how well it's going to release and not splinter. What's more annoying than anything is trying to pull your tape off and it's actually splintering or not coming off or leaving adhesion behind. So this has got a 3-day clean removal. And so what they're referring to is anytime within those 3 days, you can pull this tape off and it's not supposed to leave the adhesive behind. If it leaves the adhesive behind, now you got to get an adhesive remover, remove it. The paper on the tape will also begin to splinter if you go beyond that release time. And so a less expensive production tape is going to have typically a lower release time. Now I'm going to go into a tape like this. This is another product from Frog Tape. It's a multi-pack contractor grade blue tape. It does have the polymer technology on the outside of the tape. This has a 14-day release on it. So I'm going to look on the tape, look for 14-day release. Now this comes into play because we got do-it-yourselfers. You'll start painting a room. You're going to be leaving your tape on the trim. You'll be leaving it on your walls or even on your flooring, and you're not getting that project done today. You're not getting it done tomorrow. You're even sometime coming back a week later and finishing up your project and then pulling your tape. If you do that with the production tape, you're going to run into all kinds of problems. You could have the tape adhering to your surface, pulling off the paint. It could be adhering to the flooring, pulling off the coating on the flooring. So it's really important to know how long you're going to be painting, how long the tape is going to be applied to the surface. This is a 14-day release. I use my production everyday tape. I typically am removing my tape the same day. I usually don't leave it overnight, so I'm going to be using that tape for everyday production. This is a 14-day release. I do like using the blue tape on floors when I'm masking off floors. I don't use this to actually touch the flooring. I use it to mask the flooring paper together with it, and it is a 14-day release tape. Now, if you want to get into even longer release times, we got Frog Tape Green. This is a multi-surface tape that has paint block technology on it. I'm going to look on the tape right here. It says 21 days. So that's a 21-day release. You got 7 more days of time to play with while you can still pull your tape off. It's not going to splinter. It's not going to leave adhesive behind. It's going to be a clean removal. So if you're thinking about, well, I'm going to be leaving my tape on there for 3 weeks, you might want to be using Frog Tape Green to mask everything with. I know know I've had some experience messing around with these different tapes. I've put this on flooring. I've had it on a month, and I've actually pulled it off after a month, and it's come off cleanly and without splintering. I've done the same thing with Frog Tape Green. I've left it on for multiple months, and it still came off cleanly and without splintering on glass. So I just did some tests and experiments with it with release times. This, the orange tape, is typically right around 3 days, and it's not as UV resistant and heat resistant as these other tapes. These other tapes outside in the weather, they're definitely going to have a nice clean release, you know, anytime within that clean day release. Now, if you want a longer release time, we've got Frog Tape Yellow. This right here, it's a 60-day release. It's got a different type of paper than the other tapes. This is more a crepe-like paper, and so it's a really premium paper, and the adhesive is completely different. So it has a different touch and feel to it. It's a 60-day release tape, and it's a delicate surface tape. So if you're masking on floors, it's very important if your masking is actually touching the flooring or the coating, or if you're even masking on faux finishes or decorative finishes or wallpaper, this is the type of tape you'd want. So it's a 60-day release tape. So if you're going to be leaving your tape on the surface for a month, for even up to 2 months, this is pretty safe to use. Now, it's going to cost more money for these other tapes versus a production tape, but that's giving you the convenience of masking, not getting the job done, you know, that day, and still not having the issues and the frustrations of it cleaning up adhesive or your paper on your tape splintering when pulling it off. So it's all about the release. It's release times of tape just make things a lot less frustrating for you. If you've got some favorite tapes out there that you use, just let us know in the comment section below. If you have any frustrations with tapes, if you got any questions or comments, leave it down in the comment section below. We try to answer our questions and comments, you know, in a timely manner, and we try to answer all of them. So leave them down in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this video, if it's helped you, if you learned anything, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It really encourages us to continue making these free videos. And like we always say, we'll see you next time here on Paint Life TV. Out.